Proponents of replacement theology often quote Galatians 3:28 as proof text. The verse says, "There is neither Jew nor Greek, there is neither bond nor free, there is neither male nor female, for ye are all one in Christ Jesus." How does this verse support replacement theology? Does it say that the Jews stop being Jews when they come to Christ and hence the church replaces Israel? Does it even hint that the church is new Israel? The verse also talks about male and female, slave and free. Isn't it illogical then to say that male is no longer male, female is no longer female for real? How about slave and free? The slave is no longer slave, good, and the free is no longer free. All are free in Christ. But when we say the Jews stop being Jews when they come to Christ, then it should also mean male and female stop being male and female in Christ. It is absurd. When we read the whole verse, it says all are one in Christ. It means salvation in Christ is beyond all barriers of race, gender, social status, etc., since anyone who belongs to Christ by faith alone is promised to be an heir. So, Jews do not carry a higher rank or honor than Gentiles, neither do free people than slaves, and men aren't superior to women. All are equal in God's eyes, and our earthly divisions do not make us distinct as all are one in Christ. And nowhere does the Apostle Paul say the Jews are racially disqualified when they come to Christ, but he actually calls them true Jews, those who are in Christ. An American does not lose his identity as a Christian. He will still be an American and a Christian. Being Jewish is ethnicity, and Paul always separates the groups, calls the unbelieving Jews Israel and Jewish Christians true Jews and Gentile Christians as Gentile Christians. And does not Paul talk about how a remnant of Israel will be saved in Romans 11? He does. Then how does it make sense that the church is new Israel and will be saved in latter days when Jesus returns? We cannot always isolate verses and pick parts of verses. Context is key. It is very important to not only read verses contextually to understand them correctly, but to also read the passages wholly to see what they say. There is a reason we have chapters and passages, and translations have good headings which give a gist of what is exegeted there. Context determines the meaning of the text, the passage, and sometimes the meaning of words. Watch the detailed short video, The Real Meaning of Galatians 3:27 to 29 on my channel. Also watch The Church is Not New Israel and other parts in the series on replacement theology to know if it is a true or false doctrine. And remember to be a Berean.